This week, Kelly asks, Anna, I've struggled with cellulite my whole life and it's my biggest insecurity. How can I get rid of it? Kelly, don't feel bad. So many women struggle with cellulite and it really doesn't have anything to do with exercise and diet. Cellulite can be really challenging to get rid of, and I know there's a lot of devices on the market offering hope. Unfortunately, cellulite is really stubborn, and while we can help reduce it some, we're never going to be able to eradicate it completely. At Synergy, we offer what we believe is the best option in cellulite reduction, and that is Z-Wave technology. Z-Wave will reduce your cellulite anywhere from 1 to 3 grades, and it will be a lasting, somewhat permanent result.